Hi everyone, this is CJ. Dialing in Swiss Water Decaf isn't hard, but there are a couple things you may want to consider. Today I want to mention a few quick adjustments to your recipe that will help you dial in the perfect brew of Swiss Water Decaf. Start with using a little more coffee. Grind finer, or sometimes you may need to try both. And here's why. Coffee beans are composed of a large variety of insoluble and soluble matter. During the brew, hot water extracts the soluble matter that gives us that wonderful flavor and aroma from the bean. One of these soluble compounds is caffeine, and since decaf doesn't contain caffeine, there are fewer water-soluble compounds in the decaf. Since there are fewer solids to extract in a decaf coffee, if you're using the same parameters as a non-decaf coffee, it'll often yield a lower strength in the cup. This is why we recommend using a higher brew ratio or a finer grind. Having fewer soluble solids in a decaf also affects the TDS measurement. Good-tasting decaf may not always fall under the optimal range of the coffee brewing chart. Measuring TDS and extraction yield as part of your quality control is great. Just remember that decaf may not always give you the number that you expect. This doesn't mean that all is lost. You're the barista. Try the suggestions that we provided. Adjust as you need by taste, and your cup of Swiss Water Decaf will be delicious.
For more information about the Swiss Water process, visit our website. If you serve Swiss Water, make sure to check out our education and support program.